Everyone, Sean here today, inviting you to our upcoming Mid-Year Marketing Summit, where we're going to have resources come out from representatives including Google, Facebook, and Yelp, talking about ways to use their platforms to grow your business. And in anticipation of the event, which is going to be on August 16th from 8 to 1, mind you, we wanted to share with you a quick tip that we often get from clients that inquire about how do I list my business on Google. It's quite easy, and I want to show you real quick how to do it. So first we got to go over to Google and go to google.com and do /business, because we're talking business today. And we're going to go up here at the top right and we're going to hit setup now, where we're going to tell Google, hey, our business exists. But before we can get there, we have to enter in or sign into our Gmail account, which if you don't have one, it's quite easy to create one, and well worth it in this case. Let's enter in our business name. Let's go with Sally's Skate Shop. And we're going to say we're a home-based business, selling skateboards. And we got to enter in our address, our city, our state here in California, and our zip. And a lot of people, clients I work with, they say, Sean, I don't want to list my business address out there in the public, and Google understands that. So you can check off this box that says, I deliver goods and services to my customers, and hide my address. Google's going to say, based on your address and your name, are any of these you? In this case, it's not. But again, going back to that hiding your address, we still want to tell people, hey, we have a service territory, let's say within 10 miles of our address, or we can enter in specific cities that we want to work with. We got to enter in a category. Let's go with skate shop. That's a good example for us, selling skateboards. And a phone number. Let's see here. You got to have a phone number for folks to call you, right? And a website if you had one. And we can click finish. And now we're going to tell Google basically, hey, mail us a postcard so we can verify that we actually received mail and operate this business at this location. So we can enter in a name here and click mail. This will take maybe 3 to 5 days to get your postcard with a little verification code on it that you can now log back in and verify your listing and start to add pictures, logos, and more information about your listing so customers searching for you on Google can learn more about you. But again, we want to invite you to our upcoming Mid-Year Marketing Conference, where you can learn all about the new tips, tricks, and trends with Google. So don't forget to join us on August 16th from 8 to 1. But until then, thanks for watching.